magandang araw at magandang buhay sa lahat. So, welcome ulit sa ating Science Channel. Okay, so itutuloy natin yung ating lesson about sa planets. So, comparing the planets of the solar system. So, sa previous video natin, pinag-aralan natin yung inner planets. So, yung 4 inner planets, the Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. So, ngayon naman, pag-aaralan natin ang characteristics of the outer planets. Okay, so ano ba yung mga outer planets? Ano ang kanilang mga distinct characteristics? So before we reach the gaseous planets or the Jovian or the outer planets, so dadaan muna tayo sa tinatawag ni asteroid belts. So ano ba itong asteroid belts? So ang asteroids are actually minor planets which can neither be classified either as a planet or as a comet. So this generally in the direct orbit around the sun, also known as the inner solar system. The larger forms of asteroids are also known as planetoids. At saan ito matatagpuan tong asteroid belts? So ang asteroid belts ay matatagpuan between the orbit of planet Mars and Jupiter. So yung ibang mga asteroids, malalaki, yung iba naman maliliit. So yung iba tinatawag din na planetoids. Okay, so the first outer planet is Jupiter. Okay, so Jupiter is the largest gaseous planet in the solar system. So siyang pinakamalaking planeta sa ating solar system. It is more than 11 times the size of the Earth. The great mass of Jupiter enabled it to generate very strong gravitational force. So sobrang laki ni Jupiter. So siya rin ang may pinakamalaking or lakas na gravity sa lahat ng planeta sa solar system. So Jupiter's atmosphere is made up of hydrogen, helium, methane, ammonia, and water vapor. Yan ang atmosphere. Jupiter has very small faint dust ring around it. So mayroon din siyang sing-sing katulad ni Saturn. Jupiter has at least 63 moons. 4 moons were first observed by Galileo Galilei and was named Galilean moons. So ang pangalan ng apat na buwan or apat na moons apat na moons ni Jupiter ay Ganymede, Io, Europa, and Callisto. Yan. So si Galileo Galilei ang unang nakadiscover ng kanyang apat na buwan. Pero actually, at least meron siyang 63 moons. Yan, si Europa, si Io, si Callisto, at saka si Ganymede. Yan, si Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system. It is bigger than the planet Mercury. Next, si Europa. So Europa, rocks made up of rocks, thick, smooth crust of ice. Next, si Callisto. So Callisto has water made mostly of rocks and ice. And si Io. So has an active volcano. So the most striking features of Jupiter is the Great Red Spot in the southern hemisphere, which is a counterclockwise rotating storm. Yan. Okay, so kung mapapansin natin, andyan yung Great Red Spot ni Jupiter. So, ito siya. Abang natin yan. So, this is the Great Red Spot. Yan. Bagyo yan na sobrang tagal na. Okay. So, the rotation is 9 hours and 56 minutes. So, among the planets, Jupiter is the fastest planet in terms of rotation. So, tandaan. In terms of rotation, Jupiter is the fastest planet while in terms of revolution, the fastest planet is Mercury. Okay, so 9 hours and 56 minutes. So ang isang araw sa Jupiter ay 9 oras lang at 56 minutes. Samantalang sa Earth, ilan ang isang araw natin? 24 hours. And its revolution is 12 years. So Saturn, the elegant planet. Okay. So Saturn is the second largest planet but the lowest density. So siya yung pangalawa sa pinakamalaking planeta pero pinakamagaan naman na planeta. So sabi nga nila, kung ilagay mo daw sa dagat o sa isang sa tubig yung Saturn, ito ay lulutang sa sobrang gaan. So Saturn is the gaseous planet. It has a thick atmosphere of hydrogen, helium, some methane, and water vapor. So Saturn's rings are made up of mostly ice particles with some dust and rocks as well. So there are billions of these particles and they vary in size from specks of dust to rocks as big as a bus. So ang kanyang rings ay binubuo ng mga ice at mga bato. So ang iba ay singliit ng alikabok, ang iba naman ay singlaki ng bus. So rotation is 10 hours, 39 minutes. Revolution is 29 years. So ang tagal-tagal bago matapos ang isang taon sa Saturn. It takes 29 years. So Saturn has at least 31 moons and the largest is Titan. So ang pinakamalaking moon ni Saturn ay Titan. Uranus, the sideway planet. So Uranus is the third largest planet with a system of 11 ring or dark rings discovered on March 13, 1781. So tinawag siyang sideway planets kasi tingnan natin yung kanyang posisyon, di ba? So nakatagilid siya. Okay, so unlike sa ibang planeta. So atmosphere is made up of hydrogen, helium, and some methane, which gives the planet or planets bluish-green color. Uranus' axis of rotation is tilted at 84 degrees on each side. The result of its north pole faces the sun for 1/2 of 84 years revolution. Yan ang north pole niya, nakaharap yan sa araw. Kasi nakabaliktad nga siya. So para siyang bolang gumugulong. So yung ibang planeta, pag ganun ang gulong, sa kanya pag ganun. Patagilid. Uranus radiates the same amount of solar energy it receives. Yan. So Uranus rings. Meron din siyang rings. Uranus moons. So it has at least 21 moons. The largest is Titania. Rotation, 17 hours, 14 minutes. Revolution is 84 years. So kung dito ka sa Earth, compare mo sa Earth, so matanda ka na hindi pa tapos umikot si Uranus sa kanyang orbit around the Sun. Uranus' gravity is a little stronger than of the Earth. So Neptune, the windy planet. So Neptune is the fourth largest planet and it has an elliptical orbit. Atmosphere is made up of methane which gives the bluish-green color. Neptune has dark or great dark spot. Kung ang Jupiter ay mayroong great red spot, si Neptune naman ay may great dark spot. So Neptune has a dark colored storm called great dark spot. So kagaya ng Jupiter, so yung great dark spot ni Neptune ay bagyo din. So Neptune has at least 11 moons. The largest is Triton. Neptune's ring. So may ring din siya. So tandaan natin yung four outer planets ay mayroon mga rings. So Neptune has discovered in Berlin Observatory in Germany on September 23, 24, 1846. So rotation 16 hours, 6 minutes. while the revolution is 165 years. Ang tagal. Okay, so let us check kung may natutunan nga kayo sa lesson natin. So identify what is being described in the following sentences. So pag nabibilisan kayo, i-post nyo lang yung video, ha? Okay, number 1, it is the planet with the strongest wind. Number 2, it is the second largest planet in the solar system. Number 3, it is the largest moon of Saturn. Number 4, Jupiter revolves around the sun for blank years. And number 5, it is known as the sideways planet. Okay, so let us check your answer. So let us check. So tingnan ang inyong mga sagot kung tama. So number 1 is Neptune, 2 is Saturn, 3 is Titans, 4 is 12 years, 5 is Uranus. Okay, so hanggang dyan na lang. So thank you and I hope may natutunan ulit kayo sa ating video. So ito yung last lesson natin for the 4th quarter. So good luck and congratulations in advance sa mga makakagraduate ngayong batch 2021. Okay? So sa mga hindi tumigil, hindi sumuko kahit merong pandemya, so congratulations. Okay. So bago yan, mag-subscribe muna sa aking YouTube channel. So kita-kits next year ulit kasi ito yung last lesson natin para sa taong ito. Okay? So gawin natin, magpag-aralan ko pa ang pag-YouTube para medyo mapaganda pa yung pag-deliver ko ng lesson kasi hindi naman ako kasing galing, hindi ako magaling sa editing. Kaya ito lang yung kaya ko, kaya ito lang ang nasi-share ko sa inyo. So I hope kahit ito lang nakakatulong pa rin si Sir Chris. Okay? So, salamat. Bye-bye.